to California. Mother told him never stray from the ocean side. Georgie wanders by the nighttime waves when the moon is brightest. Don't you tell him where to go, his wings are broken, yet that part feels the lightest. And somehow it's all slipping away, his odyssey to California. Father told him never stray from the ocean side. Georgie dances by the bonfire when the fires are lighted. How his mind it darts and glows when the sparks ignited. But it all flickers away like morning embers, and his dreams are going astray in the hazy light, where once he saw his face in the still waters of the shallow waves. George is sifting through the ashes, searching for the tempest in a lonely room. George is waiting for the holy book to show him where to wander and reach the holy fools. But it all flickers away, his odyssey to California. Mother told him never stray from the ocean side.